Okay, we got fuel. Should really just only work for 1 second? Why would it not work?
What's up, Dad? What's up,
What's up, dude?
What you guys doing?
Put it right here. Thank you. Okay,
I
now,
want to sit on this so bad.
dude, we're gonna. If we just keep working, we will do it.
You finish everything?
We're getting close.
What is that?
Fuel pump.
Yeah, so those electric wires, it's those electric wires, it gets electric from the bike to spin a motor inside there,
Mm-hmm.
and then the motor makes the gas go faster up the bike.
Just go faster.
Yeah, we still have the scooters in this bike. This bike's gonna be Daddy's new favorite probably.
Is this, are you keeping this one or are you gonna sell it like?
Wait, what? This one I'm gonna keep too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
I'm
looks
just
nice.
I'm just now trying to look for. The reason I buy so many bikes is I'm trying to figure out like what I will like. I have after going through a lot of these bikes now I have an idea.
He's fixed and sold it already.
With your help, Bixers.
He fixes them, so it costs more money for one fix.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, what you use to make the bikes, you sell it, hopefully getting profit, and then you buy a new bike with the profit.
Dude, you're so
And then you sell that bike.
flippin' smart,
and then,
Asher.
And then you buy.
And if you find a bike you like, you keep it somewhere, like in a garage nearby, and take it out when you want and replace it with another one you own. Like you gotta.
You make me upset with how smart you are. You know that?
Is it? What's up with the like Japanese Korean something on the side?
Yeah.
That just says ninja, because it's a Kawasaki. Hey, Kawasaki.
Yeah, it smells stinky in here.
Sorry for the smell, guys.
Yeah, who farted?
This is overly complicated, but I'm trying to get away from the vacuum. Okay, we got fuel. Should really just only work for 1 second. Why would it not work? Maybe hydrolock the engine. I think the style just runs constantly. Gas tank converted to manual operation, going to reserve. Swinging back this way. Don't have a battery, so it's working off of a battery from a different bike. That's just jumper cable. From the gas tank is a fuel pump. Another on-off. So here we go. Start it. Okay, I already did this. We're in reserve. Okay, let's just run the pump. Okay, we're running the pump. Last little bit on off. That's the choke cable. That's probably one of the reasons why this bike was taken off the road. It was seized. I cut it all the way back to where it's not seized. I can pull it to operate the choke. All right, on. Will it rev up? Pretty cool. Man, if I had a battery, I could take it for a ride. What do we do now? All right, now we check for vacuum leaks. I don't really want to. I'm not gonna check more than that. It had a slight hesitation the very first time, but maybe it was cold. Okay, need that. All right, well there you go. If your Virago 250, V-Star 250 are not running, having issues with a lot of the vacuum operated stuff, you can throw a fuel pump on it and a manual petcock.
Hi, Daddy.
You're the best.